on Thursday. My baby, my husband just to come back. I didn't say house. My phone just ring Facebook Messenger. Meanwhile, the person call me say hello. He can send me YouTube link. And the person maybe a person will want ask me say please madam share my video, please ma promote my video, please ma help me to share my music. And the person of those people. So as I look the person, he call me for voice call. I can't pick. Hello. You know, my voice can't be repeated. I don't know. I can't cut on. The person can't call me again for video call. I can't pick because. Some people they come for 1 o'clock. I beg, I don't talk to you. You never ask if I say no or call. If you be person don't call me, you gonna say I dey get time. Maybe if you talk for 1 hour, you know, if you say maybe don't know. If you talk for 1 hour, if I get time, if I get chance. So as the person call for video call, it's on my phone like this. Person call. Thank you. Oh, Chibuike, my son namesake. That's why I every time. My son namesake. My son na Chibuike. Your own na Chibuike. The person call. As I can't pick the call for video call. So video call, you do like this for video call. I can't do like this. The person can carry bola because of Facebook policy. The person can carry bola, come and begin to shake bola. Man, because I use a word because of Facebook policy, come begin to shake bola for video call, for WhatsApp call. Person I don't know before. Come begin to shake bola. Come say, I can't be cotton. Now I can say, oh, because see something. Now I can come. Waiting, I can say, see oh. Person just come for video call, begin to show it, but I can say, I say, I don't know the person. I say, I don't know the person. I can carry my phone. You can call it from my hand instantly. The person will call back again. Then I can say, only not show your face. I can pick the call. I can do like this. The person can carry Ebola, come and begin to shake Ebola for video call. I mean, my phone just be there with my baby. My senior son just enter bed. The phone be there with my son. I can't look the person. I say, I don't know this person. I don't know the person. I got my husband say, you know, so my phone number, it there for my Facebook page. Because I think something they put the other line. So that if you want to go off the phone, I can say, now this phone I they use, now this number I get. The other one, I just leave that line for there. Let's go call again the third time. My husband can't pick again. My husband can't pick. Let's go show you, Bola. Now my husband call no man. Now my husband can't para. Let's go call. Let's go call again the fourth time for one night. For that same video call. Now I come there say, until I go call for social media. Now I go say, no worry, until my wife will go to Nisha, you best go pick up the call. You can't block me for WhatsApp. I can't choose that number. I can't go. I can't go YouTube channel. I can't go see the person. I can't go find them. I know your today can't break. Now I go police office. I get children for house. No people they harass me. Now small thing they break marriage. Yes, my sister be they pick up because some people they will call me for that. Someone else will go call me. So I can't go police office the next morning. Can't go tell them say nobody call me for nights. I don't block them. But the person they harass me, sexual harassment. Come and that's the person you go they show me Bola for a video call. I don't know the person before. And the painful part, let's not my Benin brother. The painful part, let's not my Nigerian person. Like her number. So maybe now all those Asia people, now these Pakistan, I'm not saying that Pakistan now that they work. All these Pakistan, these Arab. You look and say that Pakistan lives there, and that's what they do. My Nigerian person, my Benin brother. And they bring that go police office. Now I give them the name. Now I give them the phone number. Now I give them the YouTube channel. Now I give them the picture. Now the police man say, make I not worry. Now they tell everything for system. Say, okay, no problem. Make I come back after 15 days. Let me say tomorrow, now come and say, Kokolate, what you do? Nobody for this earth when they go do this thing, we go happy. And it take the grace of God say your husband will be my way trust you. When not they listen to side talk. Because not be all men will take this rubbish. Now small thing my husband go wake up in the morning will say, baby, because of that call yesterday. Now small thing go cause for them, my husband wake up in the morning say, honey, that's what yesterday, I don't want me to again. From now on, that your face will delete them. I'm not going to say I'm going to delete them. If I don't know say, baby, this is your social media, delete them, I don't need that for this house. My marriage comes first before social media. My marriage, now my happiness. My marriage is very important. My marriage, I kind of like egg. Now my own marriage with this. If that's okay, the man will not going to trust your wife or na man. When it be say, if they suspect your wife, thank you all for joining. Thank you for joining. Now man, when they suspect your wife or man wey be say he get that jealous attitude. You know, see some men they very jealous. If na man will get jealous attitude, we get that jealousy for your body. When you say you go do, Papa say, honey, I don't know the person, yo. I don't know the person, yo. I don't know her. Honey, I don't know the person. I don't know the person, honey. Person will say, hello, Kokolate. If I say, honey, I don't know the person. Try to say, I don't know her. Maybe if the man will get angry, don't tell me slap. Not be all men they agree. Not be all men they allow her. If the man will get angry, be my husband, he don't tell me slap that day before yesterday. So what they talk? They got a video call. If you say, hello, Kokolate. For I was saying, I explain. And on social media, I my phone number. I don't receive another slap. Maybe that night fight will happen for house. Then go bring tell me say this now. Choose between social media and your home. But people not they call it for social media. They show you they are going for video call. So social media and your marriage, choose one. It's the man we don't understand. My husband even called him. My husband even caught her. The person going to call back. My husband going to pick her. He hear my husband's voice. My husband going to insult her. He say they call back again for video call. They show Ebola. For what now? If the man will not trust you, that's what they break marriage. That's what they break marriage. I look my husband, and I look my husband, the guy say, only you the verse. He say, why I go verse for you? I don't feel verse for you. I don't feel verse for you. I know woman why I married. I don't feel verse for you. Hey, you know the people do what? Because the pain. People they come sometimes around 1 o'clock. Some single mothers they say they pass through different things. Some mothers say they get children. When we say that they pass through so many things, they go come for night. If you talk to you, I beg. I'll say no problem. We go talk. So if you come for night, Mama, I beg. I'll talk to your husband. My wife, I beg. Give your husband. I'll talk to your husband. So men go call. I'll talk to your husband. Okay, no problem. I'm not going to come for work. Make I give her a phone. They go talk. Sometimes people don't get friends. They say you must have this way you say you go once and share your pains with. Some people they want to talk to you. Yes, and some men that's why they don't if you don't go work. God bless you. So if that's some men, they don't go believe they don't know our parents they give them. Now small they break marriage. Or it's because my pikin can't deal with the phone yesterday. Now my baby call with the phone now. My baby can't pick the video. My baby call the look am. My baby will call the look am. Why some people they very useless? Why some people they very useless? Very bad. Because anybody can come for WhatsApp, I know they fear. Now all these Asian number, all these Arab, now they cut their call. Once I see them in Nigeria, either Germany, France, Spain, Europe number. This one a Nigerian person. My Bini brother, let they pay me. Oh, they don't let me. My Bini brother, you want to break my marriage? They go do your sister. Yes, my husband did it. My husband just look. My husband will collect the number. The person they call again. Okay, it's a single girl now when we say she and her boyfriend they get caught off infidelity. How should they want to I say the boy.
How the guy want to trust her?
Actually, how the woman want to explain? Why has the no way? How she want to defend herself? How she want to defend herself? It's not man when we say in and the wife don't get problem for their marriage, infidelity issue. It's the man when they accuse the wife of infidelity. Eh, that's why you cheat on me. That's some different boys they call you. That's some people they call you. He can't really see say that night. Maybe not the man who not they get quarrel that night. So maybe not man maybe say man not trust the wife they quarrel. Man can't carry the wife phone. It's the man who say quarrel the man can't carry the wife phone. Or the man when they go travel work. He can't come back. It's okay, make him come back house for weekend. He comes there with the wife phone. Video call can't enter. He can't pick us in another man they show him wife dick. How you want to explain give his husband say, honey, I don't know this person. And he let me say, hello, Kokolate. How you want to explain give your husband? How she want to explain? How she want to explain? Yes. This invest my husband. This invest him. They break. I want them to say, I know before anything, brush, bath, go police station. Go to the number, go to the I don't want to hear story. I don't want to hear story. For waiting now. Okay, so maybe my mother-in-law can't travel, can't greet us. That's what I don't know. That's what I. Because my mother-in-law can't travel, can't greet us. You see my mother call for example, say she call me clean. That say, okay, she want to greet us. And mama take my phone. Check this, mama. They want to see for video for Facebook. Mama see one video, watch them. I can't go kitchen that night. Call, mama, you get call. I said, mama, pick up. Mama, that look up and say, mama, they send me. They show Ikokoma give me, Igbola give me. How am I want to give her son? So that man they call they show Igbola. How? Or if I don't know, say you not like this social media, why they do? It don't do against them. Maybe the thing that they cause for our home. And in this case, we come out, so we don't the cause for every time. Then I have a person for my phone. What you say make it talk? How you say make it explain now? How you say make it explain give my husband? How you say make it explain? Some people they just do on purpose, to break marriage. It's not your husband, that's what they do. Some people just they are purpose to break your marriage. To cause you pains. Yeah, why? What I do? Not be one, not be two, not be three. You know, if you come me one day, Kokolate, if they talk like say, you know, say I don't marry. Say, you know me. I say, I go by you, go. You know me. Are you for real? You think it's not funny? Some people will also social media, they look for which one they find them. They find who they want harass, who they want insult, who they want break their home. My sister, many people feel coming. Yeah, people, my sister, anybody feel coming for message, for WhatsApp. I know they fear to pick their calls. I know they fear to pick call, but this one was really hard, was really irritating. They can't premature they kill us, and I bet you are, and that's about you. I bet you are. Check nonsense with this one. My own Benin person. No, this is not nice at all. This is not funny. Now, supposed to break marriage, so men don't care. They don't care whether their wife go explain. Before you don't see that, they don't give their wife correct slap. Men when body the paper, they don't give their wife slap. Because you know they say, not be so na so, fights don't happen. See what should rubbish with this one now? Thank you for the understanding man you married. Thank you so much. Yes. So they don't like good thing. No, they don't like good thing. That's what I was look. I say, rubbish attitude where some people they do. You know, serious single girls, you know, serious connection has there. You call another person wife. You see my number for there. You don't kill the person. You see my phone number for there. You know say I be person wife. You they see me on my husband video. You they see me on my children video. You they see say my Facebook there show say I am married. You can't get the mind, the infantry, the temerity, the audacity. I mean like the audacity. Come take carry my number. Come begin coming for video call. They show me your Ekia. Ekia no ma wo. Your useless Ekia. Ekia no wo. Eki huwe. Eki lede. Eki huwe no muhia. But I don't know where the man he will never know peace. Thank you. Only my baby. Let me say that. You want?
Hello, guys. Whether now SKD that they call the person, no. I just want to tell the person. I just want to send message to the person. I pray may the message reach that person. One thing when I want to tell this person, they say, maybe you don't do it to other people, and you always find way out. Nobody they do it to other people, and they go free. This me, I will not take it lightly with you. I will not take it lightly with you. Thank God that my wife went to Dunisha you this morning. Yesterday morning. She went to Dunisha you. And the police used the number and the website, the YouTube link. They find your Facebook. and your pictures they with them, so that before you will go close that link, that YouTube, and go shut down your Facebook, your pictures and your pictures is already with them. And they guarantee my wife say make you not worry, because this one is sexual harassment. Married woman with kids, even though that woman is single woman with kids, you get children, you get the mind carry phone call. It's from that your cucumber, now your cucumber you go for start to the roti. I swear, you don't buy waiting, you know go fit tune. You don't buy waiting, you don't fit tune. How can you call a married woman? For instance, you can't go call home when he say the man don't even trust the wife for anything. You know, say you don't destroy that home be that. Okay. That there is nothing that woman will tell that man that man will believe. There is nothing that woman will tell that man will believe. He go say, now so they do. Many times I go work. So this one are the nonsense where you they do. Anytime I go work, so now so you they do am. There is nothing that man with that woman will tell the man. See, I beg, I don't know the person. He write hello. He first of all write hello, Kokolate.
Send me YouTube link.
If the guy he hear my voice. As I carry the phone, bend the phone, I say, what be this one? When it comes, he say, I can't the rain course on him. He cut him. He has to call back again.
That's a video call.
The video call. Call back again with the dig the masturbate.
Because of social media policy.
The masturbate. I'm not calling anything the masturbate. Social media will not do anything because of masturbating. The masturbate. Until he pour out. I was raising costs on him. I cut the call. He called back again. He can't be saying now beneath person. Now beneath person. Because that night I could not sleep, my wife could not sleep. We have to do research about that. His link, his Facebook link, and through his Facebook YouTube link. We were able to get his Facebook. All his pictures, everything, his data. We were able to get it. He can't be saying that beneath person. Person when he just they learn how to sing. When he never even sabi sing. He they learn how to sing. SKD.
SK Saturday.
SK Saturday. SK Saturday. He carried dread.
Give me your phone, I show them.
He carried dread. Now they do this thing. So just no say your own. If you they do one with other people, you they go away with it. My phone there with you. You they get away with it. This one you don't get away with it. You will be highly dealt with. You will be highly dealt with. I'm telling you this fact. If it happen now you call the cry say now set and walk. Which can set and walk? You want to break people's home. You say now set and walk. So Satan can't come out. Can't tell you say you do what you do that night. I don't know why people continue to blame Satan on their mischief or on their mistake. When you don't do bad, finish, you go to blame Satan, say na Satan walk. Why Satan day he has. That you don't talk and say, if penny has where thief day, anything when he lost, they'll say na the thief hand. May they ask the thief. Na hand for the the thief, may they ask him. If he be say not be the thief, but as long as say don't be thief, they'll say may they ask him. That is why anybody now can do evil and they say, hey bros, I beg not be my clear eye and Satan walk. Satan come meet you, tell you say may you do what you do. Or he whisper to your mind, say may you do what you do. Or he just appear to you, say, do I do this evil? Tell them say that me saying you. You don't understand me? Yes. You don't understand me. You don't understand me. See the person here. See him. See the guy. You see the guy with the ugly face. If I not show this one where this woman did, bring other picture they there. You understand me? Bring other picture when they single for them. You don't know show the one when your person there. You understand me? I can a grown-up man. Sometimes see, I'm not talk about tribe, but I believe say my Igbo person when you know say see the guy, see him.
We say a musician, even a musician. So say my children come pick the call, and that one they vex me.
I believe say, and that guy, wherever any city when he dey for this Italy, make he know say he own don't finish. Make he know say he own don't finish. Make he know say he own don't finish.
You
understand me? If he like make you talk say with the former for his head, his link, the link when he sent to my wife did here, his phone number, make he like me go to that phone number.
I screenshot him.
If you like me go show, make it go to that phone number.
He don't come by already. I screenshot him.
He did with a police.
I screenshot him because I get.
If you like, make it go. They go carry the picture of the cucumber. They'll carry and check him. They'll check him. You know all these people. You know them. You know Oyibo say Oyibo. They get there. They know how to investigate.
Sexual harassment.
So make you not say he own don't finish.
If my mom will not trust you, I don't want to pay.
You understand me?
You
understand me?
People marriage.
So like say I be that kind of person where we say I don't know the kind of person where my wife be. The next time I see that thing, the next thing na problem. I'll come to beat my wife. Or me and my wife will come to fight. Eh? What kind of
people they
nonsense
ask what
is
the boy do? People they ask what the boy do.
Okay, thank you. When you they ask, somebody just come from nowhere. He just write my wife, hi Kokolate. He can't send my wife link of his YouTube. Now so before we know, after 12 for night, my wife sit down. It's because we just they happy say video where my wife do just the people other big blocks still they carry them. Me and my wife come the gist. You understand me? Now I just say my boy they cry. I say okay, make I go collect all these small things where children they chop biscuit for kitchen. Give my son. Phone just ring. He come be say na WhatsApp call. The guy just call my wife for WhatsApp.
Now voice call if call.
If I call for voice call, then later I can call for video call, WhatsApp. As he call, the next one I just see, he just carry cucumber come out. When my wife just see, he just carry cucumber come out. Now my wife just shout. As he shout, he just call me. Oh, because the boy just cut the call. As the boy cut the call, now Waka come. I say, what did happen? Say somebody just call and carry cucumber come out. Now I say, what did happen? Why that person go do like that? Before we talk, he just call again. He just carry video call again. He just carry cucumber come out again. Now I just carry the phone. Now my wife say, not show your face. Now I bend the phone like this. As I bend the phone, I say, what is all this nonsense? As he just hear my voice, he cut the call. Hoping say, now so he want to call the call reach. He call back. He get the mind to call back again. As he call back, he start to masturbate. That's why I can't raise course on him. I can't erase, as he say, at the race course on her, he can't cut the call. Call back again. The fourth time. He call back again the fourth time.
For one night. Now I screenshot her. As I screenshot her, I wish I know I for just screen video ram. Then now I tell her say my wife will go do Nisha the following day. He just they release. Can you imagine this nonsense? He just release. Like I say, from that Ikokumba, that private part upwards, go start to the roti.
Before my wife come go police station yesterday, go to Nisha. Through his link, now police are bring his Facebook come out, bring everything come out, he name everything. They tell my wife not worry. Because that one is a sexual. My wife give them the picture of a cucumber. My wife showed them everything. They tell my wife, don't worry, my wife will hear from them. I say, no problem. For me, if police did not take action, me, myself, I will not take it lightly with that guy. So before the guy go say, he want to go delete his Facebook, or delete everything, or delete the picture,